Hey everyone, Mike Sherry back at Sherry Chrysler. Today I'm reviewing the nicest trim level that General Motors produces. This is the GMC 2500 Denali, and it's sweet. So let's take a look. In this is going to be a fully loaded truck. Notice the moonroof, black leather, nice stitching on the leather, Denali emblem in the headrest. This is a one-owner truck. Scores really good on the history report. Never been in an accident or anything like that. Bose stereo system. Does still have the factory books in the glove compartment there. Kind of pan over here to the left, and we'll start on the left and work our way right. So starting on the left, it does have the big tow mirrors on it. They are folding mirrors, power folding mirrors, as you can see here, in and out. So great for a bigger truck like this to have this. They are remote controlled mirrors, so you can control the angle of the mirror as well. Programmable seats right here. If you have multiple drivers, that's very nice. Does have trailer brake controller. This particular Denali is equipped with the 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine and the Allison transmission. So this is a pulling machine. So if you are pulling a travel trailer, cargo trailer, anything with electronic brakes, this is going to be the means that those brakes work on the electronic brake controller there. Is four-wheel drive. Controls for that are right there. It does have automatic headlights. Mirror controls up front here, locks, power windows down there. Coming over to the center instrument panel here, does not have any warning lights on the dash. As you can see here, there's 42,714 miles on it. Even got a full tank of fuel here. Cruise control on the steering wheel. Does have front collision mitigation as well. So if someone really stops quick in front of you before you can react, you're going to be able to, the truck will actually stop for you. I've had that happen on me a couple times. Heated steering wheel as well. Hands-free connectivity, so you can talk to this car's audio system on your cell phone hands-free. Coming over here to the center radio here, does have AM and FM radio, as well as there's navigation on here. Really a fully equipped radio there. Knobs and buttons for the radio, knobs and button for your heating and air conditioning. This is a dual climate vehicle where you can control the driver independently from the passenger, or you can sync them together, and it is automatic on both sides. Does have adjusting foot pedals as your brake and gas pedals, so you can adjust it to your particular leg length. Traction control. Got parking assist in the front and in the rear, so if you're pulling up to something, it's going to warn you when you get too close. When you're backing up to something, it's going to warn you when you get too close. Does have lane departure warning, so when you're on the highway, it's going to keep you in your lane there. Does have an exhaust brake and downhill assist. A ton of charging areas here. As you can see, you literally got pretty much every electric source there. Spot here where you can, a little ledge where you can stand up your phone. Deep tray there, a couple beverage holders. Does have the wireless charging station right here for your phone. And then in here, super clean. I always tell how clean a vehicle is by the little cubbies, right? And this one's very clean. So it does have the power window back here in the rear. See that going open and closed. So, all right, I think I'm done slobbering. Let's check out the outside. Okay, exterior. I left the diesel running so you could hear it. It's not real loud. Even driving down the road, you can easily have a conversation. I know that's been an issue in the past with diesels. Not anymore. Notice the hood scoop. Notice the front end, chrome GMC grille, chrome down there by the tow hooks. Fog lights are wrapped in a nice chrome as well. Giant headlights. Overall slick looking truck. I see no damage up here. Again, Allison transmission, Duramax diesel, 6.6 liter engine. 20-inch wheels, chrome wheels. Tires look to be in great shape. The big mirrors here, got the turn signals in the mirror, so everyone around you is going to know what's happening. This is a crew cab, which is your biggest cab available. Got the formed mats that form to the floor, and they're a rubber or type material, so you literally take them out and hose them off and keep your floors really nice and looking good. Other seats back here. These seats do fold up for extra indoor cargo space. Fuel fill on the driver's side. Notice the step here built into the bumper. Again, the Sierra Denali. Got your park sensors back here. It's got the big 2.5-inch receiver there. You can always step that down, not a problem with the insert. Got the dampening tailgate here. It's gonna go down nice and slow. Spray and bed liner. And backflip tonneau cover. Got an upgraded exhaust tip. Big boy there. Factory wiring, there's both 7 and 4 pin back there, nicely, neatly done. Passenger side looks equally as clean. This is a very well maintained truck. So if you got something big to pull, this thing can pull probably a house off its foundation if you wanted it to. Definitely a pulling truck, and it's a good looking, nice driver as well. For more information, feel free to contact us. I'll post a link below of how to do that. Also, if you're interested in getting payment options on this, financing is available. I'll post links below. You can do that right from your home, right on that link below. Also, if you have a trade-in, we'd love an opportunity to make you an offer on that, and you can get started right from home on that, just clicking the trade-in link below. So with that, my name's Mike. I hope if you like this Denali, this vehicle review video assists you in your purchase, and we welcome you to call in, come in, take a test drive, or as always, we deliver these like a pizza pie to your front door too, so that's an option there as well. Thanks for watching, everyone.